How much should you be charging for brand deals? Hey guys, it's Nikki here at Stillwater's Wreath Designs. You do not have to have a big channel and you do not have to have a large following to get brand deals. And you guys, that's the sweet spot. That's where the money's at. Save this video. So I've been working with brands for a little over a year. And when I first started, I had absolutely no idea what to be charging. Didn't understand what I was getting myself into. I was just chasing another line of profit for what I love to do, which is wreath making. So for context, today, this isn't true a year ago when I started getting brand deals. Today, I've got a little over 32,000 YouTube subscribers, just over 10,000 Facebook subscribers, and just over 14,000 subscribers on TikTok. You do not need to be a large channel. In fact, the trend for brands is to reach out to nano channels or smaller channels because typically our audience is much more organic and collaborative. I'm actually going to be making a second video on how to get brand deals, so stay tuned for that. But for those of you who are starting to get emails, you're starting to get some inquiries from some brands, there is no secret sauce. There is no magic number. There is no tried and true equation that all the creators are following. There's not a boatload of guidance out there. So after doing lots of research myself on how much I should be charging, I pulled all of those information bits together and here's what I've got. So do with this what you will, but definitely save this video. Okay, let's get into it. So let's talk about the formula to figure out exactly how much you should be charging. So you're going to take your average views times your engagement rate. For today's quick tutorial, let's talk about YouTube specifically. So you're going to take a look at your most recent 16 videos, not shorts, videos, and you're going to add up the total views for all 16 videos. So grab a calculator, grab a pen and paper, go into your YouTube stats and just write down all of those total views for your most recent 16 videos. Once you have that total, then divide that total by 16, and that's going to give you your average total views. So for my most recent 16 videos, I had 52,174 total views. I divided that by 16 to give me average views per video, and that total was 3,261. Next, you need to know your engagement rate. To figure out your engagement rate, you're going to take that average views number that you've just calculated and divide it by your total number of YouTube subscribers. So let's plug that into the formula here. So we'll take that 3,261 average views divided by my 31,673 total subscribers, which gives me 0.1029 engagement rate. And you guys, that's very, very low. But stick with me. You're going to see what that equates to in dollars and cents. Following our formula, we'll take my average views of 3,261 times my engagement rate, which is going to give me a total of $335.55. But I'm not going to stick with that. I'm going to round up to $350. So my magic number is $350. Now, let me tell you how you're going to plug this in to your brand deals. So let's talk about how we use that number with the top 3 types of brand deals: mentions, integrations, and dedicated videos. Mentions are just what they sound like, guys. It's just a quick shout out while you're doing a video. So you're already creating a video, creating your own content based on your own design plans, and a brand is paying you simply to mention their name and product in your video. Typically, this is just a quick 30-second shout out. So for mentions, you're going to take your magic number. I divide that number in half. So if a brand wants to partner with me and they are requesting a mention, I would charge $175. Okay, so let's talk about integrations. This is probably the most common. If a brand reaches out to you and they are requesting an integration, basically an integration, you're going to be creating your own video, your own content, your own design plans, but you are going to integrate a brand and a specific product or products into your video. And typically they're complementary for one another. Maybe a bow maker company reached out to me. They've requested an integration. Let's just assume that I'm doing a wreath tutorial, and in the middle of that tutorial, I'm creating a bow using said bow maker. And I'm typically going to spend about 90 to 120 seconds talking about and demonstrating that product. It's seamless, it's organic, and it's relevant. For integrations, I charge my standard rate. So that would be the $350. Last but not least is a dedicated video, and that's exactly what it sounds like, folks. It's typically a 5 to 10 minute video that focuses specifically on the product and the brand that you've partnered with. For dedicated videos, I charge double. So in this case, that would be $700. Now, when I say I charge double if brand is requesting a 5 to 10 minute dedicated video. If it is 11 minutes or longer, I charge triple, and I never go over 20 minutes. Let's review that fee structure, folks. So for mentions, you're going to take your standard rate divided by 2. Integrations is just the standard rate, and dedicated videos for 1 to 10 minutes, it's your standard rate times 2, and 11 to 20 minutes, it's your standard rate times 3. Typically, there's a contract involved. Make sure you're reading through that contract. Make sure you're understanding that contract, and make sure things that are spelled out clearly in that contract to protect you and the brand. So for my purposes, my rates include 1 to 2 revisions. Anything after that, I'm going to charge a fee. So I make sure that's spelled out in the contract. If a brand requests a rushed video, I'm going to charge for the rush. Just remember, folks, this is totally up to you. It's your business. It's your opportunity. Charge what you'd like. This is just a quick walkthrough about how things math out for me and the formula that I follow. If you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment below. Or if there's any other things that you'd like me to teach you about on the business end of being a creator, just drop me a comment. Bye, guys.